Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix Valorant. Your account does not meet the following requirements in order to play Valorant. So no worries, this will be a quick and easy guide on how to do it. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. Now first go ahead and right click on your Valorant right over here. Right click on it, open file location. Now this is very important, okay? So go ahead and click on this right over here and then copy right over here. Once done, go ahead and exit out and go to virus and threat protection. Type enter. Over here, scroll down and click on manage settings. Scroll down again and click on add or remove exclusions on exclusion part. There will be administration pop up. Go ahead and just click on yes. Over here, click on add an exclusion. Click on file. Over here, if you can find your Valorant here, just go ahead and press on it. But anyways, go ahead and paste your Valorant over here. Then type that or enter. Once done, go ahead and click on Riot Client Services. Click on open. Once done, and by the way, make sure to completely close your Valorant, even on your tasks manager. Everything should be closed and tasks if you do find any Riot Client or Valorant related. Okay. So anyways, let's get back. Once done, go to your virus and threat protection, or sorry, antivirus. Over here, click on manage again. And I want you to go ahead and turn this all off for a second and try to play Valorant, and that should be fixed on your side. But anyways guys, that will be all for this video. And if you do find this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and if you do have any questions, comment down in the comment section down below. Have a blessed day. Peace.